Hello guys, hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial actually I'm going to show you how to build a breakdown app in using Laravel and Android Studio. So this is pure native app, breakdown native app. So we're going to use Java to code this app, and also we'll have an admin panel, which I think maybe in a later video we'll use maybe the same Laravel. We get admin panel for managing managing clients, mechanics, and other users. You see. So what the idea is, breakdown when it comes to driving in the load, you can have breakdown. You see. So so if there is an app which can assist in maybe getting these providers, mechanics, to come and assist you when you have a breakdown in the load. So this will be a good thing. So that's the whole idea of creating this app. Actually, I decided to share with you. Maybe we can learn from each other. So, yep, guys. So just to show you, that's the idea. That's the idea. Just when you're driving, when you're a driver and you want maybe road assistance. In this case, you have a breakdown. So using this app, you can be able to request a provider and get back to you according to your location. You see, so this is location-based app, breakdown location-based app. Yeah, so that is it. So that's an idea of this app. You see, so so I'll be using Android Studio and I'll be using Android Studio and Laravel. So Laravel I use to create an API so that it can communicate with this Android app. So yes guys, so that is it. So let me show you how this app works. So first of all, this is the first screen. Whenever you run or you install the app, this is the first screen that you will see. So this is a here actually you can sign in or you can register. You see, so this is a register screen. So actually the user of this app is a client. Actually the driver or any person who will need a load assistance. You see, so you just register here. So since I have already registered the user, so I'm not going to register user here. So I'm just going direct to sign in. See, so so here you just provide the full name, username, password, and confirm password. Then you're good to go. So since I already registered a user, so I'm going to just sign in. So I'm going back to this sign in page of activity. So here I'm going to provide a username. It's normal. So this is the and here password. Sorry. So then after I'm going to sign in. Okay. So here this is the first screen that you will see. So in this screen, actually the idea was is to, whenever you come to this app, whenever a client or a driver or any person who need a road assistance comes to this, just sign in for the just sign in the app. This the first screen that you will see, which is home, whereby it just the idea was mechanics or providers, these road assistance providers or breakdown provider. Actually mechanics and other people who provide services or breakdown services, they should be able to post something or a topic, maybe just to create an awareness to the client or to the drivers or anyone who is using this app. You see, so here so you can see here tire change. So it's just explaining more about tire change and whatever, if possible. It can help us to diagnose, to just to create an awareness. You see, so this is the first. We just give you the an overview of anything. See that a provider or a mechanics need. Maybe his clients or drivers to know more about it. You see, so these are just sample topics that I just put in. I think you can also click. I don't know what happened, but it's supposed to. If you click, it's supposed to take you to another screen, more description about this topic, and things of such kind. So also, this is as you can see down here, we have a bottom navigation view. So we have home, which it just shows the topics, but we have also this button, which is diagnosis. So I think I forgot to add this diagnosis. But yeah, you can search anything that you want to diagnose in your car, maybe as a driver, or when you are on the road, or maybe if you want to know more about something, or how to figure to maybe maybe if you have something you need to know more, or to diagnosis, you need to diagnose something, maybe about the car, or about maybe tire change, or about anything that maybe you need to know more. Because sometimes as a driver there are some things you can just do by yourself without even calling a provider, mechanics, so you can just come here and search for that topic, and then you're good to go. So, but just as I forgot to add this this diagnosis, so you forgive me for that, but I'll add them. I just forgot to say. So I'll add them when we will be creating the app. See? So also there's another fragment here, police. So when it comes to when you are driving, sometimes there will be an accident. You see. So here is a page where you can see list of police according to your location, according to where you are. So if you're in according to where you are, so you can see all police around that place. You see. So that is also, I forgot to add this police here, but you see when we will be building up, or maybe in the next video I'll add them and at least show you. You see, okay. Also here there is safety. So here safety, this part is just showing you road symbols. Different symbols, accident symbols, and just symbols for theft. So it just gives you a list of all symbols when it comes to driving, when you are on the road, And also here there's another part. Here a fragment which there's a screen which shows your profile, his full name or username. You see, but since this app, I'm still building it. It's just a first version, so I think maybe we will add more things here in the profile so that it can make sense, So you can just click here, log out. It takes you to login screen again. So I'm going to log in again. Same. So here should be password. Okay. So sign in. So it takes me here again. So that's I think you have seen. I've showed you all these screens here. So so as a client, when you log into the system, into this app, actually you need a service. You need an assistant to request an assistant for mechanics. Maybe if you have an accident, or maybe you have a breakdown, or you have So if you are to request for providers or mechanics, you need to click this button. This floating action button with an arrow. So if you click here, actually to take you to another screen where it will list all available mechanics according to your location. You see, so if you are maybe in New York, so it will just list all available near. I think it's 15 kilometer. I will see on the codes. So you just calculate according to your where you are. It takes all. It just gather all the mechanics around you, 15 kilometers from where you are. I think so. That's what I remember. So we just see on the server how I coded it. But so I'm going to click this button then. so you see, so this is my location for the time being. Yeah, so this is my longitude. You see, so these are available mechanics according to my location. You see, so I can click one of them. You see, or I can select here or here, anyone. Click one of them. You see, so this is it gives more description about this mechanic. If I select this one, if I choose this one, you see, so you can call him. So you can make a call. If I click in this button, you can make a call. You see, so or you can, so yeah, you can call and request for service, or maybe tell him what you want, or you can locate him here. You see, so it shows you more about where you are. You see, so where this guy or this provider is found. You see, so that is it, guys. So okay, also when you are here, you can also view the services that this guy is providing. In this case, I forgot to add these services, so I'm sorry. I'll just add them. You see, and also you can write a review. You see, so this is the one of the review, or you can add even a new review here. You can just say okay. Nice work, and you can rate him maybe by 5. Actually, I know we will improve it. I also add the star buttons here so that you can click, but don't worry, guys, we'll add them together. So, yeah. You see, so this is the. So now, if you go and see the reviews for this guy, you see that nice work is here. See, you see this? Yeah. So that is it. So so you can go back. So yeah, so that is the the idea. Just if you click on this button when you're on the home page, it takes you where you find all the providers around you, and then you can choose anyone, and then you can even call or locate him, and then you're good to go. Or you can just let him view his services. You see. So guys, that's the idea for building this app. So I hope maybe guys you learn something from building this app from scratch. So yeah, so I will be using Laravel to create an API, and then also I will use Android Studio and Java to create this app. So guys, yeah, that is it, guys. I hope this you learn a lot from this, learn from each other. So that is it, guys. So please, guys, make sure you subscribe my channel. It's very important. It will motivate me to do more and more videos. And also, when you subscribe, you get notification whenever I post a new video. You see, because this is, I know this will be a long tutorial because we'll do backend and front end stuff. So there's a lot to learn from this tutorial. So guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys, and then we are good to go. So guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Let me wish you a good time, and cheers, guys.